Okay, section 2.3. This is our product rule. I think this is section 2.3. Yes, product rule. And, and that's what we'll do right now. It's just product rule. And so, in this case, we're just asking if I have a function that looks like, so I have a function h of x that looks like two other functions multiplied together, how would I take, well, that's ugly, how would I take its derivative? And pretty straightforward as far as the formula. It is, and you can do this in whatever order, derivative of f with respect to x and then times g of x plus the derivative of g of x with respect to x and then times f of x. And you can write these products in the sum any way you want. It just doesn't matter. Because multiplication is commutative. That is, I could multiply first, I could take g of x and multiply by the derivative of f, and, or the derivative of f and multiply by g. And then addition is also commutative, so I could do either of the derivatives first and multiply by that other function. But that's it. That's the product rule. And so, if I have something like h of x equals x sine x, then if I want h prime of x, I need the derivative of x with respect to x and then times sine of x plus then the derivative of sine of x with respect to x, and then times x. So there you go. That's 1 times sine of x plus cosine of x times x. Now, that's kind of ugly, leaving it like that, so I would write it as sine of x plus x cosine x. And so there we have it. Similarly, if we take a couple of linear functions, so let's let h of x equal, and let's take something pretty simple like x plus 2 and times x minus 3, something like that. Then, if I want my derivative, again, that's the derivative of x plus 2 with respect to x times x minus 3 plus the derivative of x minus 3 with respect to x times x plus 2. Well, those derivatives are each just 1. So I get 1 here. Because the derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and then the derivative of a constant is 0. So I get 1 times x minus 3 plus 1 times x plus 2. I add those together, I get 2x minus 1. Now, let's go back and say, well, h of x, it's x plus 2 times x minus 3, which is x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6, and so that is x squared minus x minus 6. Now, if we take the derivative of that, well, I know that's the derivative of x squared with respect to x minus the derivative of x with respect to x minus the derivative of 6 with respect to x. And so here, power rule gives me 2x. Again, a power rule just gives me a -1. And then a 0, and so you see I get 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So with something simple, we can see the product rule at work there. That up here, up here a little more, we use the product rule, and down here we multiplied everything out first, so we didn't have a product, and used our older derivative rules, and we got these same answers. So hey, it must be true, right? So that is the product rule.